we're going to draw
Luma!
from Super Mario Brothers.
Yeah.
That's the little star that Rosalina protects,
Yeah.
right? Something like that. You ready?
Yeah.
Okay, this one's really simple, so let's have fun.
Yeah.
Okay, Luma's so cute. Okay, ready? So draw a curve, big curve, like a C. We're drawing sort of a raindrop. Okay? And then I'm gonna make this curve come down just slightly because I'm gonna give him the curvy hair thing that he has. Or like, I guess that's the way he's shaped. So I'm gonna bring that down just a little, and then we're gonna go in to give him that kind of whipped cream top look. And then bring out plump body and connect it to the bottom. Nice raindrop!
Luma.
Okay, now for his arms and legs, or what kind of looks like it. He's a star. He has 5 points. Okay, so for the arm on the sides, we're gonna draw a curvy V shape. Okay, so we're gonna have one V with a curved tip pointing out, and another one on the other side. Yeah, those are his arms. And then we'll draw 2 smaller ones on the bottom for his little chubby pointy legs. So we'll draw 2 more V's, but curved and a little wide. Yeah, and then one on this side and another on the other side.
Luma's jumping.
Okay, and then he has oval eyes. So sort of on the top middle of the page, we're gonna draw the eyes, and we're gonna draw one oval on the left. And let's leave a little shine on the eye. So let's draw a curved line on the top left corner. And then we'll draw another one, another eye on the other side. And yeah, we're gonna fill it in. I'm just gonna draw his eyes first with the curved shiny. And then let's fill it in.
Luma, squishful.
Squishful?
Yes.
What does it mean to be squishful?
That means she's really squishy.
Squishy.
And she's flat. How are you so fast?
I have a broad tip.
Ew.
That's it! That's Luma!
Luma.
Okay, now we have a lot to color with yellow.
Yeah.
But art along friends, this is Luma. We also drew Rosalina the other day. So if you want to art along with us with Rosalina, feel free to check out our channel.
I'm already colored.
Oh my. And we also drew Princess Peach, right?
Uh-huh.
Yeah, we're drawing some of our favorite characters from the Super Mario Brothers. Wow! Okay, are you gonna decorate?
Yes. Luma full. I did the little twist.
Oh, I like that. Okay.
Ooh, it looks like he's in the clouds.
Oh, yeah. Okay, you done?
Yep.
Awesome. Well, there you have it, everyone. Luma!
Princess.
Princess?
Rosalina's
Star.
daughter.
They're little star creatures, right? Yeah.
So like and subscribe to Art Along for more videos.
See you next time.
Bye.